one defines as the leader in the industry. The superior quality, technical innovation will be widely sold at home and abroad. Superiority is not only within each optimal product. The unique is more than a filling material expert. In today's world, developments on new materials are increasing faster than ever. Suzhou Unique New Materials Sci-Tech Company Limited is located in Suzhou, a beautiful garden city in China. From the beginning of the establishment, we focus on producing superior filter materials and providing high-quality PTFE membrane materials and efficient separation of filtration materials for customers from global wise. After more than 10 years of research and testing, we have developed into a high-tech innovation enterprise of fluorine film, which integrates R&D, production and sales. Our core products are PTFE air filtration membrane, PTFE bubble point membrane, and other single membrane filtration materials, which have excellent uniformity and stability. The material can achieve both high air permeability and high interception at the same time because of its high porosity and long service life. Our second-class core products are PTFE mask filter, PTFE high-efficiency filter, and other composite materials. Our products have high efficiency ratio of resistance, with excellent chemical corrosion resistance and heat resistance, with long service life. Unique PTFE filter materials are widely used in the fields of air purification filtration, medical food filtration, clean room filtration, industrial dust removal filtration, electronic waterproof and breathable and other fields, and are well received by the industry. The products are exported to other regions of the world. What makes us proud of our brand is the continuous upgrading of R&D and production facilities of fluorine material film technology. The company has multiple automatic production lines and level 100,000 dust-free workshops, advanced testing instruments, and regulate enterprise management and improve product quality with ISO 9001. Unique can guarantee all product quality far beyond the market similar products. Conveys ingenuity with quality, spurs strength in innovation. Focusing on the filtration industrial chain, Unique has been taking technology research and development and talent training as a strategic goal. With a technical research and development team, with excellent business level and excellent innovation ability, our Unique staffs go all out for each detail and strictly control the quality of the product. With our remaining scientific and technological innovation, we have successfully obtained numerous independent intellectual property rights and invention patents as the pioneer in the domestic and foreign environmental protection filtration industry. We are more than a filter material expert. We're also adhering to the mission of continuously contributing to human health and environmental protection. We believe in the idea of being environment-friendly and put it in every product, achieving the goal of visible health and inexhaustible future.
维护绿色环保是我们每个企业人的责任。尤其经历了2020年新冠肺炎疫情，我们作为第一批复工复产企业，肩负着防疫物资的紧急生产任务，使我们优客方人更加坚定了自己的使命。
Professional quality, first-class service, solid faith not only allow us to win the market, but also to receive recognition from the industry. We're sharing our innovation and development ideas with the world. Industry converges the power of the development of the times, and time converges the power of excellence. We will never forget the original ideals and aspirations on the road of continuous contribution to human health and social environmental protection in the new era. We will waves with a solid heart and believe. Unique. is more than a photo material expert.